This is going to be a super quick tutorial on Lightroom keyboard shortcuts. Just 3 keys to take you between 3 most popular, most used modules, in my case anyways. Having these keyboard shortcuts will speed up your workflow because you don't have to click and go into your menus and try and find them. Super easy. So the very first one is the G key. That will bring us into this library or grid view. Then when you are maybe comparing images, like I'm not sure if I want one of these 3, I can bring them up by pressing the N key. That brings you into survey mode and you can look at multiple images at a time. What makes this different than grid view is that you can also flag your images. So I could pick the first one and it doesn't select the other 2. Whereas if I was in grid mode and I hit the P key, it's going to select all 3 images, which I might not want. And then the last one is develop mode, the D key. So you can swap back and forth between G for grid mode, N for survey mode, which just brings up however many images you have selected. If I select more images, it brings them all up. So I can do a nice comparison here. Pressing the Tab key will get rid of your side menus temporarily. Press Tab again to bring them back. That's a little bonus one in there for you. So yeah, G for library, D for develop, and N for survey. Hope you guys find this useful. Let me know if that helps you speed up your workflow.